Hi everyone, Andy's here. It's lesson 5, factors and multiples. Are you ready to solve some problems with Andy? Here we go. Question number 1. Peter has 10 balls, numbered from 0 to 9. He distributed these balls among 3 friends. John got 3 balls, George 4, and Anne 3. Then he asked each of his friends to multiply the numbers on the balls they got, and the results were 0 for John, and 72 for George, and 90 for Anne. So what is the sum of the numbers on the balls that John received? How do you solve this problem? So first, you know that there are 10 digits, 10 numbers from 0 to 9. And John has 3, George has 4, and Anne has 3. And we know when you multiply the numbers and you get 0 for John. So this means there must be 0 for John. There must be 0 for John. So we say goodbye to 0. And John, we use J to represent John. John has a number of 0. And then we notice that George, it's 72 for George. So which numbers, when you multiply them, you get 72? 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 9 is 72. So we write it here. So 2 numbers, when you multiply 2 numbers, you get 8. So what are the 2 numbers? So 1 times 8 is 8, and 2, 1 times 8 is 8. And then we have 3 times 3 is 9. Which is not right because we only have 1 3. So we try this. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 1 times 9 is 9. So this means that George will have 2, 4, 1, 9. 2, 4, 1, 9. Those 4 numbers. So we say goodbye to 2, 1, 2, 4, 9. And then we have 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we know that when you multiply 3 numbers, you get 90. How can you get 90 when you multiply 3 numbers? So we have 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe you can try 3 times 30 is 90. So we can say goodbye to those numbers. Okay, so here we go. We can try this. So 3 times 30 is 90. And we have 3. So two numbers, when you multiply two numbers, you get 30. What are those two numbers? So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. It's obvious. 5 times 6 is 30. So here we go, 5 times 6. This means for n, we will have 3, 5, 6. 3 digits. We have 3 numbers for n. So bye-bye 3, bye-bye 5, bye-bye 6. In the end, we have 2 numbers left. And John must have those numbers. So John will have 0, 7, and 8. And now we need to know the sum of all the numbers from John. So 0 plus 7 plus 8, it's a simple addition, and the answer will be 15. Where is 15? It's option E. Congratulations if you chose E. So this is how you solve this problem. All right, let's go to next one. Ready for the second problem? Here we go. Tim, Tom, and Jim are triplets. Wow. So 3 brothers born on the same day. Their brother Paul is exactly 3 years older. Which of the following numbers can be the sum of the ages of the 4 brothers? How do we solve this kind of problem? We can actually draw a model. So we know that there are 3 boys with the same age. So Tim, Tom, Jim. We can use 1 unit to represent the age of Tim. We can draw it here. So we can put it here. 1 unit. And we can write triplets here. That means we add them up. Tom's age is 1 unit. James' age is also 1 unit. So we have another unit and another unit. So we have 3 units. And Paul, put it here, is 3 years older than each one of the triplets. So that means Paul's age will be 1 unit plus 3. Write it here. We draw this 1 unit and 3. So which of the following numbers can be the sum of the ages of the 4 brothers? So we know that the sum of the ages of the 4 brothers will be 3 units plus 1 unit plus 3. That will be 4 units plus 3. So we have 4 units plus 3. So from this, we know that this sum of the ages, this value, when we try to minus 3, when we try to use this value, minus 3, this number must be divisible by 4. So we can just try it out. So 25 minus 3 is 22. It's not divisible by 4. So we don't want it. How about 27? 27 minus 3 is 24. Is 24 divisible by 4? Of course! So that gave us the value of 1 unit, 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. That must be 27. Because there's only one option, one correct option. We don't have to go through all the options. Now you know how to solve this problem. So we can draw a model and use one unit to represent each one of the triplets' age. And then we have this addition, get the sum, and know that the number minus 3 must be divisible by 4, and we get the answer. Well done if you did the same way. Okay, so this is how you solve the problems. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.